Kilalanin natin ang official and updated complete lineup ng bagong team sa PBA na Star Horse Shipping Lines ngayong PBA 49th All-Filipino Cup. Point guards: Tommy Olivario, 5'9", 190 pounds, 25 years old, 2.5 points, 1 rebound, 1.8 assist, 30% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Governors Cup averages. Mark Nonoy, rookie, 5'9", 155 pounds, 24 years old, 12.5 points, 3 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 0.5 steals, 30% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Aljun Melesio, 5'8", 160 pounds, 26 years old, 4 points, 1.5 rebounds, 2 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Terrence Romeo, veteran star, 5'11", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 9.5 points, 1.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Shooting guards: Stanley Pringle, veteran star, 6'1", 185 pounds, 37 years old, 11.5 points, 3.5 rebounds, 4.5 assists, 1.2 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Brent Paraiso, 6'1", 190 pounds, 26 years old, 6.5 points, 3 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Paulo Hernandez, rookie, 6 feet, 197 pounds, 25 years old, 8.5 points, 2.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 35% 3-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Didat Hanapi, rookie, 6'2", 188 pounds, 23 years old, 4.2 points, 2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Small forwards: Kevin Ferrer, 6'5", 200 pounds, 31 years old, 9.5 points, 5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 0.5 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 72% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. CJ Katapusan, rookie, 6'3", 192 pounds, 26 years old, 5.5 points, 4 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 35% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Jan Grospe, 6'4", 190 pounds, 30 years old, 1.2 points, 0.5 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his PBA 14 Governors Cup averages. Sherwin Concepcion, possible ex-PBA player na ilagay din sa lineup ng Star Horse ngayon dahil nasa may lineup nila siya sa MPBL. 6'3", 202 pounds, 28 years old, 3.5 points, 2.4 rebounds, 0.4 assists, 0.5 steals, 21% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Power forwards: Aldrich Ramos, 6'6", 190 pounds, 36 years old, 4.5 points, 2.2 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Louis Sangalang, 6'4", 198 pounds, 26 years old, 7.5 points, 5.2 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 0.8 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Arwind Santos, potential ex-PBA player na maaaring ilagay sa lineup nila sa PBA dahil player nila siya sa MPBL. 6'4", 175 pounds, 43 years old, 5.1 points, 3.4 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 35% three-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his 2023 MPBL 5th season averages. Centers, Ken Mark Carino, 6'9", 203 pounds, 26 years old, 6.2 points, 5.5 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 1.5 blocks, 25% three-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Kate Saldivar, 6'6", 220 pounds, 28 years old, 2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 45 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Christian Standhardinger, nasa may jeep pa din ang rights ni Sistan, kaya tiyak na mapupunta ito sa nakabili ng franchise nila sa PBA na Star Horse Shipping Lines. 6'8", 220 pounds, 35 years old, 15.2 points, 8.4 rebounds, 3 assists, 52 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Governor's Cup averages. Ito ang official and updated complete lineup ng bagong team sa PBA na Star Horse Shipping Lines na nakabili sa franchise ng Terra Firma Jeep sa PBA. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, magiging competitive kaya ang bagong team na to at hindi gagaya sa Terra Firma Jeep? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.